Day 9 of trying something new every day for 30 days. I've had this incredible Olivetti Studio 45 typewriter for ages now, but I've never actually properly written a letter on it. There's just something so beautiful to me about the mechanical nature of typewriters and other machines like them. The sound, that metally, oily smell. It's really a shame there's no smell-o-vision on internet videos.
Scented TV. A weird thought, no? Will smell-o-vision replace television?
It's inevitable.
Raina and I started Almost Fancy a few weeks ago, so I decided today that I was going to write a letter to our future selves about where I hoped we would be in 12 plus months. Dear Mac and Raina, it's me, Mac from the past. Taped it up and labeled it properly, but now we'll have to check in a year to see how accurate anything that I wrote ends up being. Until then, I'll see you tomorrow for day 10.